Yeah, this is my IQOO Z7 Pro, which is curved AMOLED screen, and for this the screen protection I have ordered this screen guard, which is a matte finish screen guard. Just now I received. I ordered it on Amazon. I'll just open it and I'll show you how it looks. And do comment in the comment section that which screen guard you are using for your curved skin, or for generally for on your mobiles, those who have the flat screen also. Just comment down which screen guard you are using. Yeah, when I open this is what in the box. This is the matte finish, ceramic matte finish screen guard for this IQOO Z7 Pro. So I need to open this and need to check how it is. So along with the screen guard, this is the screen guard and two wipes they give. And the first one is wipes remove extra dirt. One is the wet one is the dry one. First I need to apply this one, then I need to apply this one, then the screen guard.